Have you ever bought a makeup product and when you got it home and started to use it, you thought to yourself, what is this? How do I use this? What am I doing wrong? This is not working for me. Well, today I'm kind of needing your help because I have 5 products that have really confused me. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure why it's not working for me. And I'm not sure exactly maybe how I'm supposed to use it. So maybe if you use any of these products, I would love your feedback. Tell me the secret to all of these things because I want to keep them. I want to figure it out and I want to make them work. Let me know in the comments, what products do you feel that way about? Which ones just kind of have you perplexed as to what the deal is with things? And we're gonna start with the thing that sort of inspired this video. It is the NARS Translucent Crystal Powder. So I got this as a sample with an Ulta order back in 2023, and I was so excited because I thought, ooh, a powder and it's white, so maybe it's gonna be really brightening. Let's use it. But this powder, when you touch it, it feels almost like foam. And I even kind of scraped it on purpose one time so that I could decide what is this powder. So when you swatch it, it barely comes off. So I don't really quite understand what is the way I'm supposed to use this. Do I use this with a dense brush, a fluffy brush? Is it meant to go where I just tried to put it underneath the eyes to help combat darkness in the eyes? I just don't know. So I would love your feedback. Can you tell me, how am I supposed to use this? And what is it best used for? Next, I would love to get your feedback on these things. These are new to me and I really want to make them work because they're beautiful and I love blush, but something is just, I'm not doing something right with these. It's a set that I got either from Ulta or Sephora, and it's the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Blushes. The shades are so beautiful. Love these. These are really me shades. This one is Provence. This one is Promenade, and this one is Southbound. They're so beautiful in color. And my problem that I have with these is, it swatches beautifully, and when I swatched it right after I bought it, it kind of went and dried down and it didn't go anywhere. It's really difficult to get off of your hands. So, I'm thinking, yes, this is gonna work really great for me. However, every time that I've used any of these with my normal brush that I use with blushes, and this is, I think, from Eco Tools, I'm not sure, and I've had this for so long I don't even know, but it's kind of a contour brush. That's what it's called. But this is what I use to apply blush. I have several different kinds of cream and liquid blushes from Rare Beauty, from Persona, and I never have any problem using this brush with those cream and liquid products. But with these, it looks very splotchy, really bad splotchy. I'm going to show a picture here of sort of the problem that I have. You can see little dots. It almost looks like little blush freckles, and it moves my foundation. So what am I doing wrong, everybody? If you have these tinted moisturizer blushes from Laura Mercier, please tell me the secret to making them work because the colors are so beautiful and I want to be able to use them. The only thing that I thought that I might try is to underpaint with them. So putting it on my skin and then applying the foundation on top. And I might try that tomorrow to see if that works, which will be fine for these 2 shades, but this one is very light and I don't know that it will show up under painting. So please tell me, give me the feedback. The next thing that I need your feedback on, tell me if you use this and do you have the same problem too, is from It Cosmetics, and it's the Superhero Waterproof Mascara. My problem with this, and the thing that I'm confused about with this one, is that it seems to still smudge under my eyes no matter what I try. If I try it with an lash primer, it still smudges. If I use it on its own, it still smudges. What am I doing wrong that this waterproof mascara is smudging? Now, I do have that problem often with mascara kind of smudging like right down in here. So, you know, very well, it could not be the fault of the product. It could just be me. But so let me know, like, does this smudge on you too? And I'm not a big waterproof mascara person, so is that normal for waterproof mascara to smudge? Let me know. Next, this is a packaging thing that I'm very confused about. I'm very perplexed, and I need your advice. I need your expertise. If you are familiar with the ColourPop lippy liners, I want to understand, what did I do wrong, and why is my lip liner, it just broke off a little bit now. So what happens with this is it gets, goes down, like shrinks down back into the tube, and then I have to kind of shake it down a little bit. And like I could probably pull it all the way out. By feeling that right there, I felt like I could have pulled it all the way out. So what did I do wrong? Is that normal for ColourPop lippy pencils to do that? Because I also just bought another color of that, which is, this is the shade BFF, which is a kind of a brown color. And I recently just bought Good and Plenty, which is sort of, you know, a mauve pink color, rosy pink color. Love that. And I haven't sharpened it yet, so I'm a little scared. I need for you to help me know, what did I do wrong? Or is that normal with this, so that I don't waste my Good and Plenty? Because I really do like the color of Good and Plenty more than I like this BFF color. So I want to make sure that I don't waste Good and Plenty. Please let me know how to make that one work for me. And the last thing that I have to share with you today, that is sort of a product that I'm confused about, because that may be like how they're marketing it, is this Dr. Pawpaw Rich Mocha Balm. It's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. And they're calling it multi-purpose for the lips, cheeks, and skin with a hint of tint. I have used this on my lips and it's very sticky. Like, I don't even know how one person would desire to put that on their face, either cheeks or contour or bronzer, because it's so sticky, it doesn't dry down. So if you use this as something other than lips, please let me know, how do you get that to work? Do you set it with a powder afterwards to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere? I also wasn't very, at first I wasn't very keen on the taste of it after putting it on my lips, so I thought, oh, maybe I'll try to use it in other areas, but look at that, like, that's not drying down. How in the world am I supposed to use that on different areas of my face where my hair is going to be getting in it? I have no clue. I need your help. I need you to comment below on any of these products. Let me know, how do you get them to work? Because we are a community here over on my channel, and I would really love for you to leave some feedback and let me know how I can make these things work, how I can keep them from going in the trash, because kind of that's where we're at this point. I'm thinking, if I can't figure out what this is, then how is the high school girls that I pass off my makeup, how are they going to figure out what this is? If I don't want to put this on my face because it's too sticky and I don't like the way that it tastes, why would I give it to somebody else? So help me out. I want to make it work for myself, and you're going to help me get there. Thank you so much. And if you love project panning content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I do several project panning videos. I like to do project panning inspiration, and I just like to talk about all things makeup and beauty. So if that kind of thing sounds fun and you like that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe. And thank you for your input. I will see you in another video. Bye.